Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are talking about a fascinating topic, how artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world of education. From personalized learning to AI-powered teachers, the way we learn is evolving like never before. I am Pranab Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. By the end of this video, you'll understand how AI is reshaping education and what this means for students, teachers, and even parents. So, let's get started. First, let's define what AI in education means. AI in education involves using computer systems to perform tasks like analyzing data, creating personalized learning plans, and even teaching lessons. It's like having a super smart assistant that can help students learn in a way that works best for them. Key example. Imagine a math app that knows what topics you struggle with and gives you extra practice just for those areas. That's AI in action. One of the most exciting ways AI is transforming education is through personalized learning. Every student learns differently. Some are fast learners, while others need more time. AI can adapt to each student's pace and style. For example, online platforms like Khan Academy or Duolingo use AI to recommend lessons based on your progress. This way, students aren't left behind or bored because the content is either too easy or too hard. AI can also act as a virtual teacher or tutor. Imagine you're stuck on a science problem at 10 p.m., your AI tutor can explain the concept instantly. Platforms like ChatGPT, which I'm sure you've heard of, can answer questions, explain topics, and even help with homework. While AI isn't a replacement for real teachers, it can help fill in gaps and provide support whenever it's needed. In classrooms, AI-powered tools are helping teachers save time and improve their teaching. For example, automated grading AI can grade quizzes and assignments in seconds, giving teachers more time to focus on teaching. Attendance tracking AI can automatically track attendance using facial recognition. Interactive whiteboards, these use AI to suggest additional content during lessons. Key insight. By handling repetitive tasks, AI lets teachers spend more time engaging with students. AI is also making education accessible for everyone, no matter what language they speak. Tools like Google Translate or AI language models can help students learn in their native language or translate lessons into any language instantly. This is especially helpful for international students or schools with diverse classrooms. AI is a game-changer for special education. Students with disabilities can benefit greatly from AI tools. For example, speech recognition helps students with speech impairments communicate. Assistive apps support students with dyslexia by reading text aloud or highlighting important sections. Customized learning AI adjusts content for students with autism or ADHD, making learning less overwhelming. Key example. AI tools like Grammarly can assist students with writing challenges by suggesting improvements in real time. AI isn't just for schools, it's also transforming how adults learn. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning or Coursera use AI to recommend courses based on your career goals. AI also helps professionals learn new skills, whether it's coding, design, or even public speaking. This makes education more accessible for people of all ages, helping them stay updated in their careers. While AI has many benefits, it also comes with challenges. Privacy concerns. AI collects a lot of data to personalize learning, so keeping this data secure is crucial. Access gap. Not everyone has access to AI tools, especially in rural or low-income areas. Teacher dependence. Over-relying on AI can reduce the human touch in education. Key insight. AI should complement teachers, not replace them. The goal is to create a balance where both humans and AI work together. The future of AI in education looks promising. Imagine AI predicting a student's struggles before they even occur, or virtual reality classrooms where AI helps students explore history, science, or art in 3D. As AI evolves, it will make education more personalized, engaging, and inclusive for everyone. To sum up, AI is revolutionizing education by making learning personalized, accessible, and engaging. While challenges remain, the benefits are undeniable. What do you think about AI in education? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you in the next video.